So you want to minimize screen time for your child, but need something that's actually going to keep their attention. Plus is also educational. Does that even exist? Well, it pretty much didn't for us until we discovered Tappi. It's not just a fancy sound book, it's a whole nother experience.
I love napping on this comfy sofa.
So in this video, I'm going to review and give my honest thoughts on Tappi, plus let you know if it's worth it. So what even is Tappi? Think of it like if you had an iPad, but it turned into a book. And the key feature that brings all this together is the Tappi Pen. So first, let's talk about the pen, and then I'm going to get into all the books. So the first thing you'll notice about this pen is the design. I personally just love the design. The colors are perfect. The speaker is this eraser part here, and it lights up when it turns on. There's a power button, volume rocker. The button in the middle lets you change the pen to different modes. The default mode is reading mode, which is the mode that works with all the books. And then if you press and hold that button, you go to music mode, which turns this little pen into a portable jukebox. I'll get more to that later. And then you have your back and forward toggle buttons to cycle between songs. In the back of the pen, you have a USB-C port. This is the port you're going to use to charge the pen. You can just use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to install updates. So that's the Tappi Pen. But what's the Tappi Pen without the books? So Tappi currently has 11 different books, but I just have 7 of them with me today. I'd say they have about 3 different categories of books, which is songs and music, educational, and entertainment. Every single Tappi book is very similar in structure. When you open up the book, you're gonna get instructions and a guide, so don't worry about ever being lost. You're gonna know exactly how to use these books. For example, let's open up the animals book. You'll see right away a guide on the left side, which lets you know exactly what the pen's gonna do. On the right side, you have even more tips, as well as the ability to change what the pen does. For example, if you press names with the pen, it's gonna tell you the names of the animals. If you press facts, it's gonna tell you facts every time you touch an animal. One of the coolest features of the Tappi book is that you can actually change the language. You're gonna have to purchase separate language packs for this, and they currently have Spanish and Mandarin. You get the language pack like this. It comes with all the stickers so you can put the Spanish or Mandarin words next to the English. You're gonna wanna get the Spanish sticker and put that in the language section of the book right in the front. That way you can easily tap with your pen English or Spanish or Mandarin and switch between the two seamlessly. Alright, so let's get into the actual books. So when you turn the page, in this case the animal book, you're going to see all the different animals. And depending on the setting you chose, you're just going to tap on an animal and it's going to tell you exactly what that animal is, as well as the sound they make.
Gato. 普通话。马。长颈鹿。
Now every page you're going to see in the corner a question mark, and that question mark is really cool because it lets you play like a mini game. So there's a narrator that tells you what to do, and the child is just going to pretty much follow the instructions to test and see if they can find the animal. That part's actually a game changer because it lets you as a parent take a break and totally let your child be immersed.
That's right.
When it comes to the educational side, I have 2 books right here, which is the 1, 2, 3 book and the ABC book. The ABC book obviously teaches the alphabet. The 1, 2, 3 teaches numbers. Even my 16-month-old loves just going through it because again, the artwork is so cute and she loves animals and fruits and stuff like that.
A is for avocado. Creamy and delicious. Apple. Crunch, crunch. A sweet red apple.
So this is a great way to introduce the alphabet and numbers to her in a fun visual way. In terms of how we use this book in our day-to-day and my personal honest thoughts about these books, it's become a part of our daily routine. Obviously as parents, I love the book, but it doesn't matter how much I love the book. If my daughter doesn't like it, it kind of makes the whole thing useless, right? But I'm here to tell you my daughter loves these books. Now obviously she's not going to be glued to them 24/7, but the books honestly have been a great learning tool. As you can see, she loves using the pen, going through each book, hearing the sounds, hearing the words, dancing to the music. And earlier I promised to go more into the music mode of this pen, but instead of talking about it, let me just show you. Drive up all the rain, the little pacifier went up the spout again. So So as you saw, the music mode is a hit with the kids. It's also great because that means we don't have to turn on music on the TV or on our phones. It's all right here, and it's such a game changer. This pen is amazing. So in the end, do I think it's worth it? I personally think the Tappi Books are a great invention. It's solving a real problem and need that's more options in this modern world that aren't just screens, but kind of meets parents and kids in the middle. I really do highly recommend Tappi. So if you want to check out these Tappi Books for yourself, just click the link in my description. I'll also give you a coupon code so you can get a discount. But yeah, the Tappi is koohry approved. And until next time, I'll see you on the next video.